Hi everyone, welcome back to our course. So in today's video we'll learn about tools that we need to get started working on React. So as any project you need tools to help you starting with. For example, if you remember in our last video we said, for example, we need Babel to translate our JSX components into JavaScript. We need some tools to bundle our JavaScript files as well and optimize them. We need a local server so we can run our applications locally too, so we can set them in the browser. And also we need a tools that can help us to automatically refresh the browser whenever I go and do change. For example, my project, if I do this, add or whatever, initialize and I save, I want my browser to automatically refresh by itself and show me my changes. Otherwise, trust me, when you start development, it is really time consuming if we don't have that ability. You save and go to the browser and then refresh and then see your change and so on. So you keep shifting back and forth. So we need a tool which can do that for us by itself, and also we need a tool that can help us to create a production build that you will have in your real-time production. Okay, so you have two ways to do that. You can either do it by yourself. So you have to set up all these configurations, add plugins, write code to make a system work for you. Or you can do or use a ready environment which have everything built for you as a template. You just import it and start working on it from scratch. I mean, when I say scratch, it have your development environment, everything done, but not your application. So you start fresh from there without having to spend days on getting your environment set up to start writing code. And this is not only in React. I mean, any other framework you want to use or a library in JavaScript, you need to do all that stuff. If you want to do it by yourself, it's always time consuming. Or now, like you, as time has gone, long time React in the market, so you have so many templates ready. So we have two options. We have create React app, or we have Next.js. In this tutorial, we'll use Next.js. So just keep in mind, Next.js is different than React. We're just using it to use the basic features of it for the development environment, and we will stick for this course to only focus on pure React because that's the purpose, and we'll avoid using as many features as possible for Next.js. So just one more thing as well. Before you can set up anything in your machine, you need to have a node installed in your machine, so you can easily go to browser, type node.js.org, and you can come here and then install it. I go preferably for the stable one. I don't go to the latest current one because sometimes I have issues. So install whatever in your current time. In my current recording, I have 16.17.1, which is most stable one, so I have that one on my machine. Okay, and then in our next video we'll see how we can recreate our application or the main structure that we can start developing on. So subscribe, hit the bell button, and stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.